Hey everyone, thanks so much for listening to this video. I hope that it can be informative for you, that you can learn something, because I just wanted to share my heart with you as far as what I've been able to accomplish with my coaching business. Now, I'm not making this video to tell you all of the things that I've done, but rather I want to make this video because this side, the income side of coaching, is really not talked about quite as much as you'd think. And a lot of coaches don't really talk about what they make or the progression of how their income has grown. And so I kind of just wanted to touch base on that today with you and share some insight into what that looks like, because I know a lot of stay-at-home moms. I know a lot of moms who are in the workplace and who may want to or may consider coming home and working from home. And I wanted to just give you a very honest look at what it looks like to earn an income as a coach with Beachbody, or to earn an income with network marketing. Now, the only network marketing company I've been associated with is Beachbody, so our compensation plan may look a little bit different than other companies. So you really want to look into that if you decide to start with a network marketing company that is not Beachbody or coaching. But I got into coaching with Beachbody because I love health and fitness. I'm super passionate about helping others start their fitness journey and to be able to walk with them and kind of hold their hand through the process and encourage them and motivate them. And so coaching with Beachbody was the perfect fit for me, and I've really loved what it has done for my health personally, but also it has been a huge influence on our family and our income, and I know that it's only going to continue to grow in the future as well. So I wanted to just share a little bit about what that has looked like for me over the last 2 years and how I've grown my income and what it looked like from the beginning as opposed to what it looks like now. So when I talk about this business with people who are potentially interested in the opportunity, I always let them know that in the beginning, it takes a lot of work and a lot of extra time, and you have to be willing to make less and put in more hours in order for your business to grow and for you to ultimately see the income potential grow down the road. So I want to share this with you from my personal experience. In the first year, the first 6 months of my business, I averaged making about $5 an hour. Not much money, less than minimum wage, and I was putting in about 20 hours a week. My daughter was 5 months old, so I would wake up in the morning and work a couple hours, and then I would play with her, and then when she went down for her nap is when I would work again. I was very focused and committed to working during the times that were our downtime, because I knew that I had to use that time in order to grow my business. I couldn't spend it watching TV. I couldn't spend it doing anything else, just scrolling through Facebook. I needed to be very focused and diligent on working my business in the downtime in order to grow, even if that meant it was only an hour or two a day. And I can tell you that because I was consistent, my business grew a little. By the end of the first year, I was still, like I said, committed, working about 20 hours a week, and I was only averaging about $7.50 to $8 an hour. And you may be thinking, that's crazy, you worked a whole year for less than minimum wage. But let me tell you, as a stay-at-home mom, to be able to earn any extra income was fantastic. I was able to cover groceries or cover gas or help, start paying off some student loans. And so even though I wasn't making a killing and I wasn't even putting in full-time hours, I was still able to really help our family, and that was wonderful. And I knew the potential of this business because I'd seen some personal friends who had started the business, and I saw them grow their business to where they're making a lot of money today and maybe putting in some, fewer hours than they did in the beginning. And that is the beauty of this business. Now, I'm 2.5 years in, and I now make more. By the time I was about 2 years in, I was making more along the lines of $8 to $10 an hour, working about 25 hours a week, because by then I had my daughter in a Mother's Day Out program, and so I had a few extra hours during the week that I could commit to working my business. But again, I wasn't working a full-time job, those hours that full-time positions require. I was working the hours that I could put in, but I was very committed to working the hours that I had to give to it. So now, as I'm 2.5 years in, my income has grown substantially because I've been committed. I was very committed to the whole process. And now I can say I make more along the lines of about $40 to $50 an hour And here's the deal. I moved across the country with my husband about 5 or 6 months ago, and we moved from Texas to Michigan. About a month later, we had our second daughter. So I had a move across the country. We had new job, new friends, new environment. We had a baby. We threw that into the mix. And so I've had a lot going on, and I'm still increasing my earnings because I was very faithful in the first year into the second year of my business. And I'm using every spare minute that I have to work my business now because I know the potential. I work on average about 15 hours a week right now, and that will change because my seasons of life are changing, and so will yours. That's just the nature of life in general. So eventually I'm going to have more time to give to my business, but right now I'm utilizing the hours that I do have and making them count. So I don't say all of this to just kind of show you all of the good things I've done. I really want moms and other women in the workplace to understand that the potential of this opportunity, the income potential. But where people get hung up is in the first 6 months to a year where they're not making a ton of money, but they're putting the time and effort in. And too many people walk away from network marketing businesses or from coaching because they don't see that income happening for them yet. But the truth is that when you're diligent, when you stay true and you stay the course of what it takes to grow your business, and the tasks that you're doing each day are not super exciting and amazing. They're usually mundane and kind of boring. But when you stick to doing those things on a daily basis, when you're consistent with them, your income will grow accordingly, and you have the freedom. That's what's amazing, is you have the freedom to go on vacation if you want to go on vacation, and bring your work with you. I'm so passionate about what I do, and I love it that it's always like a vacation to me because I get to do what I love and I get to set my own hours, and my income is growing all the time, and I'm so thankful for it. I'm so thankful for this opportunity. And if you're considering coaching or you're considering getting into network marketing, I want you to really consider this, that you can grow an incredible income if you're willing to stick with it in the first year to 2 years of this business and give it everything you've got. It will work for you. This business does work. Being a Beachbody coach has absolutely worked for me because I've been consistent. So I'd love to chat more with you about this opportunity. If you're interested in it. If you are a coach on my team, you know I love you, and I hope that this encourages you, and you know that you have what it takes, and you are in a business that works, and it'll work for you and your family, and the potential is unlimited if you will just grasp it and run with it and stay committed to it. So I hope that this helps. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys later.